Okay, welcome to Dublin Academy Online. Okay, now this is my email. My name is Michael and this is my email, dublinacademy@gmail.com. This is my internet address, which is not on at the moment, will be in probably December. www.dublinacademyonline.com. Now, what do? I'm doing the junior higher maths. Okay, so the junior higher math contains the same as the Leaving Cert, 8 videos a month. It covers all aspects of the exam papers. We'll be doing plenty of questions on the exam papers. What's this? Oh, this is the layout. The layout is series. Series 1 could be algebra, and we could maximum probably up to 10. Well, we probably get 8 to 10 episodes. Each series 1 has the same as you're following Big Bang, for example, theory, the soaps or anything like that. So we've got so that would be algebra. Oh, and you did algebra, and you could have algebra, and this could be the basic foundation of algebra, which we are going to do, and then you have continuing on with algebra until you get down to really complicated problems, which will be paper problems, paper questions. So this whole thing is that you've got a one-to-one approach here. It's like me being in your house giving your son or daughter a one-to-one tutorial, except for the prices are slightly cheaper, much slightly cheaper, at €15 per month. This entitles you 8 videos, a maximum of 8 videos per month. I mean, this can be flexible. I can give you more depending on your interest. And for every extra family member, it's €5. So that's great, you know. So if you have 3 members, it's €25. You know, sorry, 25. Yeah, €25. So now, and continuing on, we have weekly updates. So if you have a problem or questions, or you have a problem with a certain aspect that we're doing at that time, you can ask me. I can send you out either through your mail, or there's so many possibilities nowadays, either through. But it will be done by internet anyway. So the price is €15 per month. Okay, now, and I've explained this, and this is your code for junior higher maths. Okay, thank you very much. I'll just do a question just to get you rolling. And the question today, I'm just going to do an ordinary algebraic question. This will be series 1 and episode 1, and this is the basic. Okay. And for example, 2x minus 3x minus 4x plus 7x. Now we know that when we're adding, this is all adding and subtraction, subtracting, we add the like signs, and we add, so we bring the plus signs together. This is what I'm going to do. 7x minus 3x minus 4x, that's a 4, sorry, excuse my writing. Okay, so add like signs, 2 and 9x. I didn't do anything complicated. I'm not going to do anything complicated. I'm very slow. Minus 3, minus 4. We add and keep the sign. Okay, so add and keep the sign. Minus 3 and minus 7x. Okay, unlike signs. What do we do with unlike signs? We subtract and keep the sign of the larger. Okay, so who's the larger there? Is a 9. So it's going to be a plus anyway. 7 from 9 is 2x. Okay. And we know it's a plus, we don't have to put it in. So unlike signs, you subtract and keep the sign of the larger. Minus 7x plus 11x. Keep the sign of the larger. 11 is plus. And take it away, and you got 4x. Like signs, you add and keep the sign. For example, minus 7x, we do it again. Minus 11x, add and keep the sign. Like signs, and it's 18x. So there's a huge difference, as you can see, if you get this wrong. So you have to remember the basic rules for like and unlike signs. So let's have a look at several other ones. 7x minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4x squared minus x squared. Okay, so we bring the signs together. Now we can't add an x, as you know, we can't add an x squared to an x, so we just bring the common x's together, which is the power of 1. So 7x minus 3x, bring the minus, so we got minus 2x squared, like signs together, minus x squared, plus 4x squared. Now this group here is a totally different group to this group here. Okay, so we, unlike signs, we keep the sign to the larger and we take them from each other. So we've got plus 7x minus is 4x. Now we got minus, so like signs we add and keep the sign. Minus 1, there's a 1 there even though we don't know, but we can see the 1. We can see the x, so that's why we don't put the 1 in. So we got minus, we like signs we add and keep the sign. Minus with plus 4x squared. Okay, so we're simplifying this, so we got plus 4x cannot be added to these. Unlike signs, we take the smaller from the larger and we keep the sign of the larger. And that's your answer. That's not an answer, that is simplified. Okay, thank you very much. So remember, practice, and maybe you could try a few questions. Maybe you could try this question when you're at home. And see how you get on with that question. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.